In this video lecture, I'm going to teach you about continue statement in C programming language. Alright, so I've taught you about break statement and we've learned how to break out of the loops. And now I'm going to teach you how to break out and continue. So in this, you're going to see the effect of continue statement that helps us to be able to move out of a loop and come back to the loop again till we complete the code. Because we terminated the program previously and it ended at that spot where we terminated it like 20, 40, and 30. But we want to break out when it gets to 20 and continue from 21. Let's go ahead and check out how to do that. So I'm going to create a variable called int x equal to 10 as well. So now I want to use the same while loop to do that. So I want to say y, and so that is yx. So yx is less than, let's do that to be 50. So yx is less than 50. And go ahead and create an if statement. And I'm going to say if x is equivalent to less than 30. Well, where it gets to 30, I'm going to say x increment, put a semicolon, and then go ahead and continue. So put a semicolon at the end. So whatever this is equivalent to 30, it will skip 30 and then continue from 31. So you're going to move out of this if statement and go ahead and and print out the values. So I'm going to say this is, or this number is %t. And this moves to the next line. So this number is %d per comma and put a value of x at the end and put a semicolon right here. And then you continue and say x increment and put a semicolon at the end. So now let's go ahead and run this and let's check this out and make sure this works out fine. So oh wow. Go ahead and copy everything right here. I didn't copy everything here. And go ahead and put a curly right here and press this inside here. So everything is right inside the while loop. For this code is a key variable. Wow. Go ahead and run this code and let's check that out. So let's check out this. Okay. So you can see this, it gets to, this number is 29, then this number is 31. You cannot see anything like 30 right here, it's jumped 30 and continue from 31. So this is how a continue statement works. So let's reduce now this number to a few. Let's say this is, x is equal to 1 and yx is equal to 10. And if x is equivalent to 5, so we're going to start from 1 and this x is going to stop at 10 and when it gets to 5 is going to skip 5 and it continue from 6. So that we can just have a little number we're going to look at. Run this code and check it out. Alright, so we have just a little number here and we can be able to see everything here. You can see that? While I am trying to copy everything here. So you can see this number is 1, this number is 2, 3, 4. It's skipped 5 and continued from 6, 7, 8, and 9. Alright, so if we want to include 10, go ahead and say x less than 10 or equal to 10. So you can go ahead and close this. Close this and run this code again and the 10 will be included. You can see 10 is included right now, but 5 is still skipped. So in this way you can skip any number you want and then you continue again using continue statement. So continue statement and break statement will always help us as programmers to be able to terminate some things and then be able to overcome obstacles as well. So this is all about continuous statement in C programming language. I hope you go ahead and practice that and check that out and make sure you have something good. And if you have any question on this video lecture, please use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.